Hi class. If you're wondering why I'm dressed like a unicorn or why I have all these tiny little creatures on my dress today, it's because it's in honor of Narwhal Day. And of course I have my little finger puppet Narwhal and his friend. Do you remember what his name is? If you don't, you'll find out in today's story. Narwhal's Otter Friend. This book is fantastic and utterly awesome. It's really something. The book is by Ben Clayton. Narwhal's Otter Half. One day, when Narwhal and Jelly were out for a swim, hum-dee-doo, waffly-woo, what's that? Golly gee, can it be? Ahoy! Are you? You are. You're a narwhal, unicorn of the sea. Woohoo! Wow! I've always wanted to meet a narwhal. And what exactly are you? I'm Oddie and I'm an explorer. That is utterly awesome. You're an explorer? Yes, sirree. I wander the waters seeking fun and finding friends, just like the incredible Captain Sally Goodhart. Who's that? Only the most amazing explorer ever. Never heard of her. She sails the 7 seas on a sea serpent, and she has all sorts of awesome adventures. Seriously? Seriously awesome. Captain Goodhart also has oodles of marvelous mottos, such as Sea of the Day, Go with the Flow, and Ahoy Adventure. I think waffles, 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 waffles would make a great motto. Catchy, I like it. Being an explorer sounds fantastic. You must have some super stories. Gosh golly, I guess I do. I've partied with penguins. Party, I got a party. Surf's up, dude. Cowabunga! And surf the seals. That's totally tubular. I even met a mermaid once. That's miraculous and unbelievable. Golly gee. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. And one time I partied with penguins while surfing with seals, and the mermaid I met, whee! Dude, wahoo! Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. And our little friends are having quite an adventure. You've really done all those things? Yippity-yip! Wow, it sure would be extraordinary to be an explorer, especially with a friend. I have an idea. Let's go on an adventure together. Really? Does this mean we're friends? Pretty much. This is going to be fantastic. But first, there is something super important we need to get. A plan, a map, mustaches, surfboards. Oh, those are all good things too. But there's something even more important. Waffles! Waffles to the rescue! Waffles, waffles, waffles! Utterly awesome facts. Real facts about a really adorable creature. There are 13 kinds of species of otters in the world. We're all kind of awesome. Otters live on every continent except for Australia and Antarctica. They're usually found in or near water, and also 12 of the 13 species are listed as threatened, vulnerable, or endangered. And that's part 1 of our story today. I hope you all enjoyed my story. Make sure you check out the book that you have at home. If any of you have any Narwhal series books, check it out. And also, Ben Clayton has a lot of books that he has on Amazon if you're ever interested in his other stories. But we hope you had a great time, and we'll see you next time.